Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial and we're going to learn about checkboxes. So in the previous example, we did radio, which is this, where you can only check in one. But with these checkboxes, it's going to be a square instead of a circle, and you can check multiple ones of it. And it's a type of input that you have. And basically, here's the syntax for it that we need to do. And the best practice is to put the for attribute the same as the ID attribute here, and they go underneath the form tag. So for this exercise, we want to add 3 checkboxes, and each of them should be nested within its own label element, and the 3 should share the name attribute of personality. So to solve this, we can just go to the bottom of this, below the last button. We can just copy and paste this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then we can see it's here, and we can check them off. And it already has the personality name as the attribute. And there you go. Thank you.